Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we are going to learn about do while and do while in AppScript. So for this, we will use a function. Okay, first we learn about while. We call this function while loop. And now let's say we will take variable I is equal to 1. Now we use while I is less than I. Now we use curly brackets. We use logger dot log I, and we use we're doing increment for I. So let's run this. Okay, so see, this is how it works, but let's not work like this. But okay, let me now I'll show you how do while work function. First we define variable I is equal to 1, use 2, log increment. Okay, that's it. So we'll see how it works. See, we got the same results. So you might be confused what's different between this and this. So you can see the difference when I say 5, I is equal to 5, to 5. So when we use okay, let's run this in different script. Let's rename this to while, which name this while. Okay, let me remove this. So if I take 5 while loop, see, it gave us 5. It gave us 5, but okay, if it's less than 5, then what will happen? See, it's executed but not given me an value. But if we do this, so it should even, it's like it should be less than 5, but it will always run for first time, and then we realize we use while function. So see, we got 5. So this is the difference between while and do while function. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will help you.